Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a vegan breakfast skillet. It takes less than 15 minutes to prepare. The ingredients you will need: onion powder, Lawry's seasoning salt, black pepper, nutritional yeast, your field roast sausages, I'm using 2, and a bag of petite medley potatoes with different colors: red, purple, yellow potatoes, green pepper, green onion, and grapeseed oil. Chop up your bell pepper to prepare it to go in the food processor, along with green onions, and go ahead and chop those up. There's a chop function and a puree function. We want to make sure that we're chopping the vegetables, not pureeing them. Next, you take the potatoes, green onion, and bell pepper mix, and you put it in the skillet together and stir it up. There's a little grape seed at the bottom of the skillet, and you take that and just keep stirring and begin to season. I do not measure any of my season. I just go by hand and freestyle it. Next, you're going to cover with a lid and let that simmer for about 6 minutes with the top on. Here I am chopping up the field roast sausages. Those will go in last. Once the potatoes have softened, you want to add in your sausages and continue to saute the skillet for about 5 minutes. I did add a little bit of water into the skillet to help soften the potatoes and continue to stir for about 5 more minutes. When you notice that the potatoes are soft, your skillet is ready. And there you have it, an easy vegan breakfast skillet, 15 minutes or less.